students, a very big and warm welcome to all of you. I hope you all are doing great. So children, before starting the session, let me introduce myself to you. This is Pooja Rawat and today I am going to teach you an interesting subject which is computer. So tell me children, what do you mean by computer? What is computer and how computer work? Why computer is so important for us? So we are going to find out about this in our very first chapter. So let's start the chapter. Yes, parts of a computer. In our previous classes, we have learned about the uses of computer. Now we are going to learn about the different part of a computer. So let's start our chapter with tech goals. Stepwise learning approach, we are going to learn about monitor, mouse, CPU and keyboard. So these are the four main parts of a computer. So let's boot up. Match the following functions with the body parts used to perform them. So as you can see, this side you can see some activities are given here and you have to match them with the body part which you use them to perform. Like running, we use our legs to run. The girl is smelling the flower, so we use our nose to smell the flower. Next, a girl is singing a song, so we use our mouth to sing a song. And last picture, a girl is watching movie. So which body part we use to watch movie? Can you tell me? Yes, it is our eyes. A computer is made up of many different parts, just like our body is made up of many parts. Together, these parts perform many different functions. A computer consists of four main parts. So, like our body, we use our different body parts to do different things or activity. So, a computer similarly use its different parts to do different tasks. And we are talking or we are discussing about main four parts of a computer. So first part is a monitor. It displays the work you have completed on a computer. A monitor looks like a TV. So as you see, a monitor look like this. It is a monitor and it is like a TV screen. We see many things on a monitor and whatever we do on our computer, it shows on monitor. Central processing unit, which is CPU. The CPU is referred to as a computer's brain. It helps a computer to do operations with the help of instructions. So CPU is called the brain of computer. CPU looks like this and it do many operations with the help of instructions. Next is mouse. Mouse is a small in size. It has a scroll wheel and two buttons. It can also be used to color and draw pictures. It is used for selecting and pointing at objects on the monitor. So a computer mouse look like this and it is very small in size, and you can see a scroll wheel is in the middle and two buttons are there which we call the left button and the right button. And what is the use of a mouse? We use mouse to play games, to draw different things and to select and point the objects on our monitor. Next is keyboard. There are many keys on a keyboard that are used to type words, letters, numbers and special characters. So this is the picture of a keyboard. You see so many keys on a keyboard and they have some numbers, alphabets and special characters on them which we use for typing. Now memory reload. A monitor displays the work you have completed on a computer. The CPU is referred to as the brain of the computer. A mouse has a scroll wheel and two buttons. Keys on a keyboard are used to type letters, words, numbers and special characters. So in this chapter we have learned about the four basic and important parts of a computer. One is monitor. We see our work on monitor. We use the keyboard To type letters on monitor, we use CPU. CPU is called the brain of the computer which processes the data. And about the mouse, we use mouse to select and point the icons on the monitor. Now it's exercise time. Check your learning. Tick the correct option. A dash shows all the work done on a computer. So it is a monitor. So you will tick the monitor. A dash is known as the brain of a computer. What is that? It is CPU. A dash has 2 buttons and a scroll wheel. Can you guess it? Yes, it is mouse. Dash has many keys. It is keyboard. Fill in the blanks with the help of given words. So some words are given here. You have to fill correctly in the blanks. The dash helps a computer to follow instructions and do tasks. What is that? It is CPU. A dash is used to select and point objects on the monitor. What is this? This is a mouse. Small buttons on a keyboard are called keys. You can type letters and numbers using the keyboard. To find the names of parts of a computer, rearrange the jumbled letters. So an interesting activity is given here. Some jumbled words and letters are given here. You have to write them correctly. Like first one is, it is a monitor. Second, can you guess it? Yes, it is CPU. Next is mouse, and the last one is a keyboard. Activity. Circle the body parts with which you can compare the CPU. So, we will circle the brain. As brain controls the activity of our body, just like our brain, CPU control the activities of computer. So children, I hope you understood whatever we have done in this session. Now you will revise the chapter, and yes, do not forget to practice the exercise.